Truist Enjoy Travel Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. This card is often overlooked, and that's exactly why it deserves a closer look. The Truist Enjoy Travel Card offers a simple reward system with strong earning on travel, dining, and everyday purchases. Points can be redeemed for travel, statement credits, and gift cards. There is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and solid travel protections. For a no-fee card, that's rare. This makes it perfect for beginners who want travel perks without committing to an annual fee. If you want luxury lounge access and premium perks, look elsewhere. But for everyday travelers, it's one of the best low-stress options available. Verdict: worth it as a simple, no-fee travel card.